Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today in Primary 4 Islamiat we had discussed about Unit 1A Articles of Muslim Faith, which is given on page number 5 in your book. So what is faith? Faith is to have unshakable belief in the truth of something. Faith is shown through words and actions. If a person says that he has faith in something but he does not act accordingly, his faith is weak. So Muslim faith is called Iman. There are 7 things in which Muslims believe in. These 7 things are called articles of Muslim faith. Iman Mufassil is the Arabic statement which we recite for these articles. So now let's recite Iman Mufassil. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Amantu billahi wa malaikatihi wa kutubihi wa rusulihi wal yawmil akhiri wal qadri khairihi wa sharrihi min Allahi ta'ala wal ba'si ba'dal maut. So the translation is, I believe in Allah, His angels, His books, His prophets, the day of judgment, upon destiny, that its goodness or evil is from Allah, and in the life after death. So now let's discuss about the first article of faith, which is Tawheed, faith in Allah. Tawheed means oneness of Allah. There is none worthy of worship except Allah. Allah is one, He has no partner. Allah is the creator of all, He is the ever-living. Allah is free of all need, all are in need of Him. The second article of Muslim faith is the faith in angels, which is Malaika. Angels are the servants of Allah. They are always busy in obeying the commands of Allah. They have been created from nur light. We cannot see them. They are not like human beings in any way. They do not eat or live like we do. They can take any form required to perform the duties. The third article of Muslim faith is faith in the holy books. Faith in the holy books meaning to have complete faith in all the holy books that were revealed by Allah upon His prophets at different times and places. So the 4 famous holy books are Torah, Zabur, Injil, Bible, the Holy Quran. So Torah was revealed on Hazrat Musa alayhi salam, Zabur was revealed on Hazrat Dawood alayhi salam, Injil, the Bible, was revealed on Hazrat Isa alayhi salam, and the Holy Quran was revealed on Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam. So the fourth article of Muslim faith is faith in prophets, which is known as Risalat. Risalat includes faith in the following: Allah sent His Anbiya, prophets, and Rasul, messengers, for the guidance of mankind. Prophets and messengers are the very special and select